Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Time now for convenience is 32 minutes past 7 in the morning, and the date today is January 29, 2026 on a Thursday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Once again, remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain George Kanya, together with First Officer Henrik Choi, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying in Philippine Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have onward connection on PAC flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAC flights departing from the EO1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines extends a warm welcome to the participants and guests arriving for the first WTA 125 Philippine Women's Open. We are honored to be your airline for this historic event in Philippine tennis.